What's up everyone, Brandon here. Today we're diving into a kitchen staple you probably use daily, but rarely think about, the microwave. I've spent weeks testing 7 of the most popular models for 2025, from high-end to budget-friendly. We'll focus on real-world performance, how they cook, how easy they are to use, and whether they're worth your money. For each microwave, I'll break down the highlights and the deal breakers so you can make a smart choice. No fluff, just the facts you need. Let's get started. First up, let's take a closer look at the Panasonic NSN966S, a microwave that stands out thanks to Panasonic's innovative inverter technology. This feature is designed to change the way you cook and reheat food at home. Unlike traditional microwaves that pulse power on and off, the NSN966S delivers a steady, consistent stream of energy. This means your food cooks more evenly, no more rubbery edges, cold spots, or frozen centers. Whether you're defrosting chicken or reheating leftovers, you'll notice the difference in texture and taste. With a powerful 1250 watts and a spacious 2.2 cubic foot interior, this microwave is built for speed and capacity. It's perfect for families, meal preppers, or anyone who needs to cook or reheat large dishes. You can easily fit a big casserole or multiple plates at once, making it a real time saver in busy kitchens. Defrosting is especially impressive. Foods thaw evenly, so you don't end up with cooked edges and icy centers. Reheating is quick, thorough, and reliable, so your leftovers taste almost as good as fresh. However, the control panel is cluttered and can be confusing at first glance. With so many buttons and options, it's not the most intuitive interface, so expect a bit of a learning curve as you get used to all the features. The design is utilitarian, stainless steel, sturdy, and built to last, but it won't win any style awards. It's a practical appliance that blends into most kitchens without drawing attention. One thing to note, the fan is noticeably loud and continues to run for a while after cooking. This might be distracting if you have an open kitchen or are sensitive to noise. The NSN966S is really designed for power users, people who value performance, speed, and reliability over sleek looks or simplicity. If you're someone who uses a microwave for more than just popcorn, you'll appreciate what it offers. If you want top-tier cooking results and don't mind navigating a dated interface, this microwave is a clear winner. It's a workhorse that delivers on its promises. But if you're looking for a simple, user-friendly experience, you might want to consider other options with more streamlined controls. The inverter technology isn't just a marketing gimmick. It genuinely improves cooking results, making meals taste better and saving you time. Just be prepared to spend some time with the manual to unlock all the features and get the most out of your investment. For buyers who prioritize performance and don't mind a bit of complexity, the Panasonic NSN966S is hard to beat. Next up, we have the Toshiba EM131 A5C BS, a microwave that stands out for being almost the opposite of the Panasonic we just covered. Where the Panasonic is all about advanced features, the Toshiba focuses on making your daily routine as easy and straightforward as possible. Its biggest strength is its simplicity, a clean, well-labeled control panel that's easy to navigate, even if you're in a rush or not tech-savvy. The intuitive presets make it a breeze to use, and the handy mute button is a thoughtful touch for anyone who wants to keep things quiet, whether it's early morning or late at night. The black stainless finish not only looks premium and modern, but it also does a great job resisting fingerprints and smudges, so your kitchen always looks tidy with minimal effort. With 1100 watts of power and a 1.2 cubic foot capacity, it's solid for all your everyday tasks, reheating leftovers, popping popcorn, or quickly cooking frozen meals. It's the kind of microwave that just gets the job done without any fuss. The sensor cooking feature works well for basic foods, automatically adjusting time and power for things like potatoes or veggies. However, the preset options are a bit limited compared to some pricier models, so you might need to experiment a little for more specialized dishes. One minor annoyance is that the interior light only comes on while it's actually cooking, not when you open the door. This can make it a bit tricky to see inside when loading or unloading food. Build quality is good for the price, solid and reliable, though it's not quite as robust or heavy-duty as some higher-end models. Still, it feels well made and should last for years with normal use. The capacity is mid-size, which is perfect for most households. It fits a standard dinner plate easily, but if you regularly cook for a crowd or use oversized dishes, you might find it a bit limiting. This is the microwave for anyone who values reliability and ease of use above all else. It's designed to make your life simpler, not more complicated. It nails the fundamentals: quick, even heating, straightforward controls, and a sleek look, all at a price that makes it a great value. If you want a no-fuss, pleasant daily experience, the Toshiba is a top pick. It's the kind of appliance you'll appreciate every day, whether you're a busy parent, a student, or just someone who wants things to work without hassle. While it's not the most powerful microwave out there, it's one of the best all-around options for the money, offering a great balance of performance, features, and price. It's perfect for students, families, or anyone who hates reading manuals. Just plug it in, and you're good to go. The Toshiba EM131A50 BS is a reliable, user-friendly choice that won't let you down. Now let's take a closer look at the Breil BMO850 BSS, also known as the CombiWave 3-in-1. This innovative appliance combines a microwave, convection oven, and air fryer all in one sleek unit, making it a true multitasker for any modern kitchen. If you're looking to save space without sacrificing functionality, this is a model worth considering. The design is undeniably premium, featuring a brushed stainless steel exterior that looks right at home in a high-end kitchen. The large LCD display is bright and easy to read, while the tactile dials and buttons feel solid and responsive, giving you a sense of quality every time you use it. Breil's Element IQ system is a standout feature, using smart sensors to automatically adjust power and time for precise, even cooking. Whether you're using the convection oven or air fry mode, you can expect consistent results: crispy fries, evenly baked cookies, or perfectly reheated leftovers. The inverter technology ensures your food is heated evenly, avoiding those annoying cold spots. The interface is intuitive, with guided options that walk you through each cooking mode, making it accessible even for those new to combination appliances. It's true, the Breil CombiWave comes with a higher price tag than standard microwaves, but you're investing in versatility, advanced features, and a build quality that's built to last. For many, that's worth the extra cost. There is a learning curve, especially when it comes to mastering the combo modes and getting the most out of all the features. However, for basic microwave tasks, it's straightforward and user-friendly, so you won't feel overwhelmed. One thing to note, the interior is a bit smaller than some traditional microwaves. If you often use oversized cookware or bake in large batches, make sure to check the dimensions before buying. This appliance is perfect for kitchen enthusiasts and home cooks who want to streamline their countertop and enjoy a range of cooking options in one device. If you plan to use the air fry and convection features regularly, the Breil CombiWave is a smart investment that can replace several single-use appliances. On the other hand, if your main goal is just to reheat coffee or leftovers, you might find the extra features unnecessary for your needs. For passionate cooks who appreciate both performance and aesthetics, the Breil stands out as a beautiful, multifunctional machine that elevates your kitchen experience. It's definitely a luxury item, but it delivers on both performance and design, making it a centerpiece in any kitchen. If you have the budget and want to consolidate your appliances into one top-tier machine, the Breil CombiWave 3-in-1 is a choice that's hard to beat. Switching gears, the GEGS 1072 SSSS is all about compact reliability. At 0.7 cubic feet and 700 watts, it's made for tight spaces, dorms, offices, RVs. The control panel is simple, with one-touch buttons and an add 30 seconds key. Build quality is solid for the price, with a glass turntable and secure door. The main trade-off is power. Everything takes longer to heat, and you'll need to stir for even results. Capacity is limited. Standard dinner plates barely fit. This is for anyone with serious space constraints or as a secondary microwave. Not for families or heavy use, but perfect for single servings and basic tasks. If you want a no-frills, reliable compact microwave, GE delivers. It's not fancy, but it gets the job done. Great for small spaces, break rooms, or as a backup. Just know you're trading speed and size for footprint. For its purpose, it's a dependable choice. The BLACKDECKER EM720CB7 is the budget king, one of the most affordable microwaves from a known brand. Like the GE, it's compact, 0.7 cubic feet, 700 watts, and basic. The control panel is straightforward, with pre-programmed buttons and a push-button door release. Design is simple but clean, available in several finishes. The trade-offs: slow cooking, lighter build, and limited capacity. It's strictly for small plates and light use. Build quality is lighter than pricier models, but it works fine for basic needs. This is for students, temporary setups, or anyone on a strict budget. You sacrifice power and premium feel, but you get a functional microwave for very little money. If your needs are basic and price is key, this is hard to beat. It's not for families or heavy use, but perfect for single servings. Sometimes, good enough is all you need. For the price, it's a solid value. The Samsung MS14K6000AS stands out for its ceramic enamel interior, scratch-resistant and super easy to clean. Spills wipe away effortlessly, making maintenance a breeze. At 1.4 cubic feet and 1,000 watts, it's a good size and heats quickly. Sensor Cook works well for basics, but can be inconsistent with dense foods, sometimes leaving cool spots. The glass touch panel looks sleek, but shows fingerprints and hides some functions behind menus. Design is modern, with a sturdy handle and bright display. Build quality feels premium, especially with the ceramic interior. This is for people who hate cleaning microwaves and want a stylish, easy-to-maintain appliance. It's a great family option with a good balance of features and performance. Just be ready to stir thicker foods and wipe the control panel often. Not perfect, but the easy clean interior is a game changer. If cleanliness and convenience are priorities, Samsung delivers. A compelling choice for busy households. Finally, the Sharp ZSMC 1132CS is all about simplicity and space. At 1.1 cubic feet and 1,000 watts, it's roomy and powerful for its class. The interface is basic, clearly labeled buttons, express cook options, and no confusing features. Performance is solid fast heating, reliable defrost, and easy to clean interior. No sensor cooking or inverter tech, just a timer and start button. The design is traditional and utilitarian, built to blend in. Build quality is sturdy enough for daily use, with a good-sized turntable. It's a great middle ground for small families or anyone upgrading from an older model. Perfect for those who want reliability without extra features. Not for tech enthusiasts, but ideal for traditionalists or seniors. If you want a straightforward, no-fuss microwave with space and power, Sharp delivers. It's not flashy, but it's dependable. For simplicity and value, it's a strong contender. So there you have it, 7 top microwaves for 2025, each with its own strengths. The Panasonic is a powerhouse, Toshiba and Sharp are user-friendly, Breil is a luxury multitasker, and GE and BLACKDECKER are great for small spaces or tight budgets. Samsung's easy clean interior is a standout for busy families. The right microwave depends on your needs: power, simplicity, design, or special features. Let me know in the comments which one caught your eye, or share your experience if you own any of these. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching.